Paris, often referred to as the City of Light, is one of the most iconic cities in the world. Renowned for its romantic ambience, world-class art, and timeless architecture, Paris offers a plethora of experiences for every traveler. The Eiffel Tower, a symbol of France, dominates the skyline and provides breathtaking views from its top. The city's artistic legacy is evident in landmarks like the Louvre Museum, home to masterpieces such as the Mona Lisa and Venus de Milo, and the Musée d'Orsay, which houses an extensive collection of Impressionist art. Strolling along the Seine River, visitors can explore historic neighborhoods like Montmartre, once a haven for artists like Picasso and Van Gogh, and Le Marais, known for its cobblestone streets and vibrant cultural scene. Paris is also a paradise for food lovers, offering culinary delights from freshly baked croissants to Michelin-starred dining experiences. Iconic spots like the Notre Dame Cathedral and the Champs-Élysées add to its charm, making Paris an unforgettable destination. Rome, the Eternal City, is a treasure trove of history, art, and culture. Walking through its ancient streets feels like stepping back in time. The Colosseum, an enduring symbol of Roman engineering, once hosted gladiatorial battles and grand spectacles. Nearby, the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill provide a glimpse into the political and social heart of ancient Rome. The Vatican City, an independent city-state within Rome, is a spiritual and artistic hub. St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, adorned with Michelangelo's breathtaking frescoes, are must-visit landmarks. Rome's fountains, such as the Trevi Fountain, add to its allure. Tossing a coin into its waters is said to ensure a return to the city. Food is an integral part of Roman culture. From creamy carbonara to crispy Roman-style pizza, the city's cuisine delights the palate. Rome's blend of ancient wonders and vibrant modern life ensures it remains a top destination for travelers. Barcelona, the capital of Catalonia, is a city of stunning architecture, vibrant culture, and sunny beaches. The genius of architect Antoni Gaudí is evident throughout the city, with landmarks like the Sagrada Familia, an awe-inspiring basilica still under construction, and Park Güell, a colorful garden filled with whimsical designs. The Gothic Quarter, with its narrow medieval streets and historic buildings, contrasts beautifully with the modernist grid of l'Eixample. La Rambla, a lively boulevard lined with cafes, shops, and street performers, is perfect for a leisurely stroll. Barcelona's Mediterranean location offers beautiful beaches, making it a unique blend of urban excitement and seaside relaxation. Food enthusiasts will relish the city's tapas culture and Catalan cuisine. Local dishes like paella, patatas bravas, and crema catalana can be enjoyed at bustling markets like La Boqueria. Barcelona's dynamic energy and rich cultural offerings make it an essential stop in Europe. Prague, known as the City of 100 Spires, is a magical destination with a rich history and fairy tale charm. Its medieval old town is a maze of cobblestone streets leading to the iconic astronomical clock, which has been captivating visitors for centuries. Charles Bridge, adorned with statues, connects Old Town with the historic Prague Castle complex, the largest in the world. The city's Gothic and Baroque architecture creates a stunning skyline, particularly at sunset. Prague's Jewish quarter, Joseph, is steeped in history, housing synagogues and the poignant old Jewish cemetery. For beer lovers, Prague is a paradise, offering some of the finest brews in the world at historic pubs and beer gardens. Music and art are integral to Prague's identity, with venues like the Rudolfinum and the National Theatre hosting world-class performances. The city's timeless beauty and vibrant cultural scene make it a favorite among travelers. Amsterdam, the capital of the Netherlands, is renowned for its picturesque canals, historic houses, and vibrant culture. Its unique charm lies in its blend of history and modernity. The Anne Frank House and the Van Gogh Museum provide deep insights into history and art, while the Rijksmuseum houses masterpieces by Dutch painters like Rembrandt and Vermeer. The city's canals, lined with narrow, gabled houses, are best explored by boat or bike. Amsterdam's cycling culture makes it easy to navigate and discover hidden gems. The Jordan neighborhood is a favorite for its bohemian vibe, boutique shops, and cozy cafes. Amsterdam's lively markets, like Albert Kuip Market and Bloemenmarkt, offer everything from fresh produce to tulips. The city's liberal spirit and welcoming atmosphere make it a must-visit destination in Europe. London, a global metropolis, is a city of unparalleled history and cultural diversity. Iconic landmarks such as Big Ben, the Tower of London, and Buckingham Palace draw millions of visitors each year. The British Museum, housing treasures like the Rosetta Stone and the Elgin Marbles, is a testament to the city's rich heritage. The Thames River flows through the city, offering scenic views and attractions like the London Eye and Tate Modern. London's neighborhoods, from the posh streets of Kensington to the eclectic markets of Camden, each have their own unique charm. The city's culinary scene reflects its multicultural identity, offering everything from traditional fish and chips to international cuisines. London's blend of history, innovation, and vibrant energy ensures its status as one of Europe's greatest cities. Vienna, the capital of Austria, is synonymous with classical music, imperial history, and elegant architecture. The city's historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to landmarks like the Hofburg Palace and St. Stephen's Cathedral. The Ringstrasse, a grand boulevard encircling the city center, showcases Vienna's architectural splendor. Vienna's musical legacy is unparalleled, with composers like Mozart, Beethoven, and Strauss having called the city home. The Vienna State Opera and Musikverein are renowned for their world-class performances. Traditional coffee houses, such as Café Sacher, provide the perfect setting to enjoy a slice of Zaratorta. The city's blend of culture, history, and elegance makes it a top destination for travelers seeking a refined European experience. Berlin, Germany's capital, is a city of contrasts, blending history with cutting-edge creativity. Its storied past is evident in landmarks like the Brandenburg Gate, the Berlin Wall Memorial, and Checkpoint Charlie. The Reichstag, with its modern glass dome, symbolizes the city's resilience and progress. Berlin's art and music scenes are vibrant, with galleries like the East Side Gallery, a stretch of the Berlin Wall covered in murals, and clubs like Berghain, known for its legendary parties. The city's diverse neighborhoods, such as Kreuzberg and Prenzlauer Berg, offer unique atmospheres and cuisines. From hearty German dishes to international street food, Berlin's culinary scene caters to all tastes. Its dynamic energy and rich history make it a fascinating destination. Venice, the floating city, is a marvel of engineering and beauty. Built on a network of canals, Venice is best explored by gondola or water taxi. The Grand Canal, lined with stunning palaces, offers a glimpse into the city's opulent past. Piazza San Marco, with its magnificent basilica and campanile, is the heart of Venice. The city's art and culture are celebrated at events like the Venice Biennale and the Carnival of Venice. Local crafts, such as Murano glass and Burano lace, make for unique souvenirs. Venetian cuisine, featuring dishes like risotto al nero di seppia and fresh seafood, delights food enthusiasts. Venice's romantic ambience and architectural wonders make it a dream destination. Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, is a city of stunning views, historic neighborhoods, and warm hospitality. Its 7 hills offer breathtaking vistas, best enjoyed from Miradouro viewpoints, like Miradouro de Senhora do Monte. The Alfama district, with its narrow streets and fado music, captures the essence of Lisbon's charm. The city's historic tram system, particularly Tram 28, provides a unique way to explore its sights. Landmarks like the Belém Tower and Geronimo's Monastery showcase Lisbon's maritime heritage. The nearby town of Sintra, with its colorful palaces and lush gardens, is a popular day trip. Lisbon's cuisine, from pastel de nata to fresh seafood, is a highlight of any visit. Its laid-back atmosphere and vibrant culture make it one of Europe's most enchanting cities.